Hello, my name is Ty, and thank you for watching Dior Diva's how-to video on how to make your own lip gloss. Um, you will need the lip base, Versagel. You will need some of that. You will need your oils. I'm using peppermint and lavender, because I'm looking for a nice calming lip gloss to soothe and hydrate my lips. And I'm going to use some oil, with avocado oil. This will tone my lips, and you have the choice to add some herbs to your lip gloss by choice. I choose for today is turmeric. This will help to soothe your lips and hydrate. Always, before doing anything, clean your hands and sanitize your vials, your tops for your lip gloss. How I do mine is the night prior, I will take some plain soap and some water and to soak them for about 3 hours, and then I will let them dry. And also you will need your coloring. Today I will be using a coral color, and you will need a syringe and a pipette. For starters, you will take your gloves with clean hands, and you will add your oil. I'm going to add some peppermint first. Add about 4 to 5 drops for every ounce. And this is my lavender. And for your oil, I have a spoon for measuring. I'm going to do a half of a teaspoon of avocado oil. And I have my turmeric here. And with turmeric, you do not need a whole lot. A little goes a long way. Turmeric is good for a lot of things. And now I'm going to mix this up. And mix it until you get to the consistency that you will like it. Turmeric has its own natural color. I'm going to add a little bit more of oil, because I'm trying to get it into this texture that I personally like. It's not too sticky and it's not oily. It's a very nice thin layer. And also with these oils, I don't know about you, but before I started making my own lip gloss, when I would purchase lip gloss and use it, say it would leave like a white film on like the top of my lip, and I don't like that. And what I can say is, when you put your own natural oils in your lip gloss, you do not have to worry about that white film, because it's no type of preservatives that's in your lip gloss. That white film is when you buy products that's from these big corporations that put different things to break down their product. Okay, now since I have it for the consistency I want it, I'm going to add in some color. And this is the coral that I'm using. And you just add the color in and blend it in until you get that nice texture that you want it to be. That nice color. Make sure you blend it all in. Take a few minutes and let it blend up. There you go. Blend it on in. Okay. See, it's nice and blended. Okay, so you will take your syringe and fill up your syringe. It's gonna be hard at first, but see, I always have a hard time filling up my syringe. I normally do mine the other way, which is, I'm gonna show you. I was just trying to see if I could do this other way I saw on a video prior, but apparently it's not working for me. So this is how I know how to do it. And this way is a lot messier, but it's a lot easier for me. So only thing I can say is do what works for you. Now, I thought I was going to be able to fill up all 4 of my lip gloss tubes today. Well, in this video, but apparently I'm not going to be able to because it's going to take too long. So I will fill one and show you. Woo. Now you would take a paper towel. Clean around the top of it. And take your pipette. That one is already cut, but I'm going to show you. Take your pipette, cut it where it ends here of the tube. that little fat end, cut off right at the tip there. Cut that off. And then you will take it and place it in as you were doing the syringe. A needle, I meant to say. But the only thing is, you're not twisting it in. You practically have to force it in. Let me do this other one. This works better. Alrighty. And now you will take your tube and fill up your lip gloss. And as you can see, I don't have a lot of lip gloss in my syringe, so I can't fill this up. So what I would have to do is I would have to take it back out. There we go. Take it back out and fill it some more. So, like I said, it's whatever works for you. As you can see, I've made a mess here. You see? It's nice. It's a nice color too. Ooh, that hurt my finger. Alright, here you go. And what I do is tube on, top on, and before doing anything, you always sanitize them. Put them in water, sanitize them. After, put them in some plain soap and water let it dry off. And there you have it. That is Dior Divas how to make lip gloss. I will be doing more and more of these videos as the time go on. This is my first video on doing lip gloss, so please stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and you can purchase our starter kits for our soap making, for our lip gloss, and for our hair care products on www.divanation1.com. And also we sell the plain lip gloss base. We sell that in 4 ounce, 8 ounce, 16 ounce, and 32 ounce. You can find that as well on our website at www.divanation1.com. That's DIVA Nation, NATION 1.com.